What are we doing right now?
We are getting a tow dolly for our car. We're being very RV-ish.
We want to give a huge shout out to Camping World for teaching us step by step exactly how to properly tow our car.
Before you begin, make sure that your car is dolly towable. Check your owner's manual or online to find the year, make, and model of your car and make sure you can tow it by dolly.
While there are many options of equipment you can use to dolly tow, we are using a Lexus ES350, a Car Caddy dolly, and a Winnebago Intent 31P.
To begin, line up your RV, tow dolly, and vehicle and inspect everything to make sure it's all ready to be hitched together.
Slide the dolly to the RV hitch and lift or lower the dolly level to fit the height of the RV hitch. You can do this by cranking the lever on the dolly jack.
Place the dolly hitch to the RV hitch and it should securely lock into place. If it doesn't, adjust height as needed and try again.
Check to make sure your RV is wired and ready for your braking system wiring. Some RVs will require additional components or adapters. Plug your adapter in and lock into place with the cover tab.
Attach your safety cables and your breakaway cable to the RV hitch frame. Then connect your braking system wiring to the adapter.
Test your blinkers and your brakes to make sure that you are properly connected.
Pull the pin from the center bar of the dolly to enable the vehicle to load.
Release the center lever and tilt the dolly frame forward to prepare to load your vehicle.
Lay wheel straps in front of the dolly to prepare for securing your tires.
Carefully drive your vehicle onto the dolly. If your vehicle is too low to the ground, you may need some 2x4s to give the vehicle more of a lift.
Drive your vehicle onto the dolly until you feel it lock into place. You may feel like you've done something wrong, but it's just the car locking into place.
A good tip is to put on your parking brake and put your car in park while you secure your vehicle to the dolly. This will help prevent your car from rolling back while you perform the next step.
Secure the wheel straps over the tires, making sure that they line up with the center of the tire. Feed the wheel strap through the winch and ratchet until securely tightened.
If your vehicle sits lower to the ground, you may need to bend the handle out to properly lift and pin lock it into place for safe travel.
And last, wrap and lock the safety chains to the undercarriage frame of your vehicle. This will ensure a safe tow. Before you begin towing your vehicle, make sure to take off the parking brake and leave the car in park.
Okay, so we are all hooked up. The tow dolly is ready to go. We're ready to drive off. And we have to personally thank Chris, who set it all up, who taught us how to do it. We're gonna take it home and apply the steps that Chris taught us. But Chris, thank you so much for everything you did.
I'm just jealous. I want to go.
Yeah. We're gonna take him along with us so he can set it up for us later on.